Namkena kambe ka Master Xitsonga analyst. Channel. Yeah, of course, hey. Not of course, take like was Mr. Post. Then from there, vele. Take like how sick is doing at I came link on a DJ gift. Then makum of course take here, store man, shagagash man. Yeah, so as already covered, I'm showing even previously I can shown life key one of course the fence, even the big fence that Mr. Post card the combo Mr. Post man hey azam kutata wala shonga Facebook se khale amirin so my very I posted the 12 ona makalisa I reported the 13 so after we reported the 13 to maybe Mr. Post cause the 14 kungaba the changes to car mayona makalewa yeah as you can see level with the post here in assurance you want the big vesta Mr. Post see na 2 days tani jimshona kwalano at around almost 2k likes as you can see kwalano yeah nasolugezano kereveve na post it 2 days manje ni 2 days after a day maybe kungaba na the changes but na lo check page ra Mr. Post kumba akuza kuposta nchum na after 2 days manta langwa mina yeah the fans in general I understand but the big fans TV ma poster like like hey, it's something else guys, it's something else it 2 days I think I get update I got 3 days are easy 3 days that's too much yet I got 3 days so it 2 days that I'm showing now I post on chum I go look Mr. Post that's not the camera me feel like the first time Mr. Post I think you should be commenting na expect the first time Mr. Post me tell me comment ako mibonsa ko yin makali like how do you feel look at that man amanta lang big fan so this maka of course ngat samsa so it I can monitor as already update ka previous video already zenza campaign ka Master Tin me go campaign for Mr. Post to say something on Facebook ngazi enda man yeah and then of course okay tlhela ka hlawusiki is a very lo hingulinka ko yeah na DJ gift so khalanyana very asa nga report yivona ona maka lewa but ka sekundla of course rati 14 ta May fike wona atsala a post yeah la very of before DJ gift out of the blue so he wrote perfume is important but the roll on is important and taking a bath is important taste of course leswi ka swa ku tell him very a swi tiva ku munhu a kha chingero very ku a nga hlamba ku ri DJ gift na risimu ri ri huma ra magunyana anga malavi mati as you can see kwala so ku boha yena kwala so before ku ivi reduce I think the primary reason very asho ku ava hloriwini DJ gift the views muka mswona ana vona ni dio hi reporter because and one abuse ngana swi nga ri necessary and stuff like that I think swi nga nda ku reduce one wala kona because yena I expect ku a wina na man expect ku DJ gift a wina ku lantisi so swi nda ku nga na competition ka Good Friday because hlawusikeza u ka nharhu against Centurion ma yona mhaka leswi swi nda ku swilolovisa and stuff like that Harenzo kona swa azamini ku va strategize na music video ri kona but as you can see una only 6.2k views ko va 6,000 views ntsena for a whole music video guys that's a huge loss ku ya hi mali hi hanya ka YouTube it's nothing ku ya hi music video na mali nga spendiwa ora mhaka leso ay man swi vave nyana swo tala hi swilavuleni ku maybe if was ngomisa post a yi zame ku posta link ya music video a swi ta swi zamini or maybe featuring ka this track ko ka ti-big fest ta kona ta losa wo so rigezo ri kera va ka hey o tiyimela ivi a boa lero swi nga ha tsakisi manjeni swi pfuna yena mara last year va ri xi xivula because at least a nghene ka yena ka iTunes a ku ri a strong debate so this year mi kuma swi swi nga endli at all like you see the big fans ta Mr Post hayi man mi fike mi dyondza ku vulavula it's better loko ku ri byela ku xaka na Mr Post byi hela but mi vulavule ntiyiso man hayi as an outro vhele hoyi mi ta khetela hi Gagash na event ya yena vhele mi yi tiva ku yi nga kuteni ya birthday celebration ya yena hi 31 ta May le Carolina vhele so tanihileswi tivaka vhele Gagash munhu loko a endla ti-events ta yena vhele mi kuma ku a tata ngopfu vanhu va Vatsonga kha hi phamela mara ka this time around ka birthday celebration fika ni twa vula marito yan'wana a hi twini ku i fika ku yini Gagash manjeni la
So it's a very big one. It's an international. I should go meet no international. You're not international now. We're talking international. So I should talk. So this time kunge vela swibelani too much. Swibelani loko ri twinga ku wa ti durisa hi to tlanga tinsimu ta wehe china nge swi koti swa ku teka mali ku nyika i tala ku ta fika thamuka 30 minutes hi ku nyika mali yo tala ku ri ku wehe wexe hi khale ka hi tlanga na wehe hi ta na wehe le ndzhaku leyi. I've been supporting a lot of artists. Since it's your birthday celebration, ni kombela so kumbe ini ni ka transport na ndhawu yo tlela ku hava na wun'we wa ku ta vula sweswo so mara va lava mali ya mina ni teka mali ni nyika vana mi koloti mali loko nga la ku ta wo tshika ta vona ku ni va lava ni nga ta ni ka vo ku right yi njalo lento na un'we ku humelela ku ya Gagash since ku ri birthday na wena wo ku tlhavela nyana at least i kota ku benefita nyana hi nga ku durheli a va swi endli va lava loko va tsakisile ku me ni teka mali ni va niketela karhele sweswo me so nga zi munhu a twa nga ku na n'wi zonda loko ni xi n'wi tsemini swilo i mali yo ka yi nga ri ki kona a ku zangi tsemiwa hi nge kuti a hi festival birthday celebration a hi swona leswi a swi endleke stadium so a swa munhu un'wana na un'wana i birthday celebration loko munhu a nga ti tshunelelangi kusuhi a ku na lexi nga ta xi kuma and then ta va ni nga n'wi zondi mali yi nga ri ki kona ya vava mali ya vava mali mi nga zi mi nzondini mi famba mi hleketa ku no mi khiya mali ya yi kona fa vana un'we va kona va lava mi loko ni va tlhavela mali
na loko vhele hi khe hi cheka hi 2024 as you can check there or I meant to say as you can see kwala loko hi cheka swona ku na wena a yi nga ri na vugaza ngopfu hi 2024 to be specific swi kombi na ku nga ku ri kola a nga sungula ku va a cinca yi nga na vugaza ngopfu loko hi cheka his line up and even already this year vhele swona ku na vanhu vo fana vo Shebe Shit a nga va nghenisa laha even King Monada then so far ka Xitsonga kona Ben Mayengani ka the big artists a swona ku line liya hala yi ka letikulu i tlhela chela lava ma swona ku se swi tikomba ku swi nga hetela swi fambe hi line leyi aka ku hi vuleni ya vanhu lava va ri va side ra hala ngopfu na mhaka leyiwa so yeah you can comment below your thoughts mi rhandza ku swa ti-events kumbe va mi kha mi hi vonisa ku yini is it a good thing or what so hi leswo mina as Master T I don't see anything wrong with it ku va ku ri ndlela leyi business that then ku va ndlela leyi kha ku ndliwa mali so mina ni vona ku nga ri na xa rhongo hi xona hi leswo loko ri amukeza subscribe ta kombela mi tleka subscribe.